everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to help you learn how to redeem Eddie Bauer Gift Card online using your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Let's get started with the video now. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box appearing at the top of the page, type in www.eddiebauer.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Eddie Bauer. Make sure to log into your account if you are not, and you'll end up in the home page. In order to redeem your gift card for Eddie Bauer, you can easily do it while checking out with the product online. From the sections at the top of the page, pick one of the sections that you'd like to shop with and pick a product or two and add it on your shopping bag. Once you've done that, click open your shopping bag located at the upper right hand corner, and your item that you've added in the shopping bag will be displayed. Click on the Check Out Now button after you are done with your shopping, which is located at the right hand side of the screen. Now, go ahead and enter your shipping and billing address information if you've not done that yet, and after you are done with it, scroll down under Payment Method. You can easily select your payment method, whether it is your credit or debit card, PayPal, or Klarna. If you want to redeem your gift card with the product, click on Apply Certificates and Gift Card option right beneath Payment and enter the gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card for Eddie Bauer. Soon after you do that, go to the next field where it says Pin Gift Card and type in your PIN code available at the back of your gift card as well, and finally click on the Apply button beneath in order to redeem your gift card right away with Eddie Bauer. That is how you can easily redeem your gift card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.